If you're struggling to get 4,000 watch hours on your channel, this video is for you. And if you're also working on trying to get monetized here on YouTube and you're yet to get your 1,000 subscribers, also your 4,000 watch hours, guys, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you on the most easiest, the fastest, and the stress-free way of you getting your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Hold on, guys, this video is not the regular videos that pop up on your screen or the usual videos you've watched before. This video is a genuine and tested and trusted strategy that will blow your mind. So there is this new app I have discovered on how to get your 4,000 watch hours very stress-free, easy to use, and also it is free of charge. You don't need to subscribe before you are able to use this application. So guys, watch this video to the end as I share with you the screen recording on the step-by-step strategy to apply, and you start implementing your way to getting your 4,000 watch hours. If you're new here and if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Chioma. On this channel, I help new YouTubers do YouTube the right way and also help to speak about how you can get monetized fast, even faster than you ever think. So if this channel is the type of channel you will always like to watch, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that anytime and every time I upload new videos here, you always get notified to watch all my latest updates. So guys, without further ado, let us dive right into the screen recording on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. But hold on, before we move into that, I'd like to share my experience using this new application. So this new application, it is very free of charge. Like I said, it is easy to all navigate. It is very easy. I've never seen this type of application before. Before this monetize it, I would like you to leverage on this free version and get your 4,000 watch hours, because on this space anything can happen anytime, any day. So guys, it's just a wake-up call so that we all will take these 4,000 watch hours very seriously, because come February 2027, YouTube is no longer accepting 4,000 watch hour as the new monetization policy. The new monetization policy, it will now be 8,000 watch hours from 1st of February 2027, and you wouldn't want to wait till that time. Guys, I tried this application. Just within 3 hours I was able to accumulate 20 watch hours. Yes, 20 watch hours. I wasn't showing up live, but I did something very differently, and boom, I was very surprised. So imagine if I was on that live for at least 24 hours. Guys, you know how many watch hours that would have accumulated for me. So guys, I would like to share this experience and this strategy so that we all can start implementing it and start working on it, because I am 100% assuring you that you will get results. So let's dive right into the next clip as I share with you this screen recording on how to get this done. Okay guys, so we'll be making use of our Chrome, but before we do that, I'll have to go to my Play Store to confirm if my Chrome is updated or not. So I've gone to check and I can see it's yet to be updated, so I need to update my Chrome. So any application you're using and is not going well, then ensure to update. So here is this app we call Live Now app. I'm also downloading this app through my Play Store. Follow me step by step, and I'm taking you on a journey. So after downloading this Live Now app, just download it. You're not going through Chrome or anything. So here is downloaded. I'll click on the open. So I'll click on open. So here it will take me, it just keep clicking next. So here you can see you click on done. So once you click on done, you have different interface. You can go live streaming on this app. So our main focus is to live stream on our YouTube channels, right? So here click on the YouTube logo. So once you do that, I'm trying to go live, right? So but I'm not going live using my face, but we have to first of all create an account. You have to type in your email, that same email you use in creating your YouTube channel. Maintain that same email. So once you put the email, to prompt you to put your password, to create a password. So also create a very convenient password that will be easy for you to remember, right? So once you do all of that, some authentications will take place just to be sure that it is you. Just click on yes, it is me, continue. So here I'm trying to create my account because it's so here it is open and it says live now. That I can go live now. So you go to you click on the YouTube application and logo. It will tell you allow this app to work on your phone. Just click on allow. So here I'll still keep clicking on that YouTube logo. So here I'm creating event. It will prompt you to put your title, just the normal way whenever you're uploading your videos, title, description, and custom thumbnail. Once you turn this button on, it will prompt you to your phone gallery where your thumbnail you've taken. Then you select that particular picture you want to use as your thumbnail. So for kids, once you turn on that button, it shows that it's for kids, but turn it off, then it shows that yes, it's not meant for kids. Privacy setting, you put it on public. Then I was having some errors, so I had to turn off my data network and turn it on so that it will go. So here, once you put it on public, you then hit that create button. So once you do that, it said live now YouTube channel. So here I've put the thumbnail, don't forget. So you click on video. So once you click on video and click on next, it takes you directly, just click on allow, it takes you directly into your phone gallery where you have that video saved. So here the difference is that it is already a pre-recorded video you'll be uploading, right? And once you upload it, it will be live. I love this application. Reason is a lot of advantages. The reason I love this application is very easy to navigate and it is free. So my hint is that while it is still free of charge, let us utilize this opportunity by going on live and getting our watch hours accumulated. So here you can click on done once you're sure that you're uploading that particular video. So here I'm just trying to review. So once I click on done, it takes you to another interface where you click on start now. So once you click on start now, you see connection success. So I'm already live, guy. So you can leave this as long as you want. Why people, you'll be getting engagement. The only difference is that you can't see how many people that has already joined, but I mean, don't worry. Once the video is finished, you see the number of people that actually viewed that video, and you even see the number of subscribers it accumulated for you and the watch hour. So do this consistently and share your results in the comment section. In fact, thank me in the comment section, because this is a game changer for every creator out there. It will help you to get your watch time hour fast. It's also very easy because you don't have to show your face. So thank you very much if you find this video helpful, and see you in my next video. Bye.